Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3D rendering test for your Android, how to use Antutu 3D Bench Lite. So you can download first the Antutu benchmark via the official website antutu.com. So you can choose the type of file, the application that you want to download. So in this case, I'm downloading the Lite version, this one, download 3D Lite. But for comprehensive, you can download the 3D standard, but it's a larger size application. So let's get started. Open the app. After installing it, of course, the Antutu 3D Bench Lite version 10.2.9. Here, how to perform complete performance tests, you can download Antutu benchmark the standard version here. Understood? So this is the bench Lite. You can only benchmark a small version or light version here. OpenGL, Maroon, and Coastline OpenGL. Just tap the start test to begin benchmarking here. So this is the Antutu benchmark. Sorry for the image is the orientation is changed, become landscape. So enjoy benchmarking with Antutu 3D rendering, and you can see the result after this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.